Riding them bitches, nigga.
Ride to them bitches. Yeah. Got me fucked up, boy. Hey, look. Bitch, I'm rolling with a bunch of O's. Fucking narcs, nigga, rolling with a bunch of O's. You know I'm blowing the tail in traffic, nigga, fucking hoes. You know I'm iced up, rolling with the buffaloes. And they looking like some Skittles. See the fucking watch when I put it out the window. Make a motherfucking crash looking at the slash. Hating on me, nigga, hating on your man. Don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm about bands. Chopper hit him up and fry a nigga like a pan. I give a fuck, nigga, I'll be in your spot. Looking for the work, nigga, searching by the cops. Heard he got them knots, heard they in his face. Heard he got shot, where they put him, in his face. That's be bananas get down, fuck a leg. Niggas about to motherfucking act fake like a fed. Bang him with the lead. Motherfucking nine, leave him fried like eggs. I don't give a fuck, I'm on my mind and my head. Nigga wanna act fake, fuck it, he dead. See, you act fake to me, then you pay loyal fees. I don't give a fuck, niggas don't know what loyal mean. So I'ma show you what them shots hot boil mean. Fuck legs hit niggas' heads like oil sheen. I told you I'm a rider. Split them to the meat, pink moisturizer. Fuck around, I keep hella bangers out. Make your face open up like an alligator's mouth. Wear the scalp like like S-Curl activate out. But nigga, I ain't poppin' shit. Quick, nigga, pop the flip. I don't give a fuck, you know them shots hot like pot of grits. Nigga got a problem, then fuck it, I be poppin' clips. Niggas like a cookie, make it stick to his chocolate chips. I give a fuck, never get hoes and poppin' chicks. Niggas like hoes and pop they lips when they see nanas come on the scene. Not like Zima, but keep it too clean. Something like clean. Nigga got sticky. Bitch been hot since Pac died and Biggie. And when I die, nigga, they gon' be in heaven with me. Still talking about hip hop, rolling sticky. Tell God like, dawg, you wanna hit the blunt? Why? Cause I like to blow L's with my niggas, bruh. He always got my back when I'm in the trap and I'm getting hated on by a rat. But we getting stacked, something like news. I don't give a fuck, put your body in the news. See, nigga be in the news time, every day on news now. Cause they'd be like, man, the snitch and he had like 2 nines. Cops like, what he say? Make a statement, 2 nines. They know I be stretching niggas out like some full time. They know a nigga getting money, I'm eating, got my food now. They know I'm ripping niggas body up just like some coupons. They know I go insane, niggas straight out my brain. Pull up in that Challenger, that new Porsche or that Range. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Stay with the fofo. One man so low like the man on the polo. Riding on the horse, I be riding through the court. And every lie that the judge say, I denied in the court. Said fuck it, just give me my time though. Niggas got money like give me my nacho. Niggas stay on hoes like Johnny the Bravo. Fuck around, nigga, it's trouble, you die, bro. I give a fuck, boy, I came from the ghetto. Tinkle niggas key mags longer with the metal. And I don't give a fuck, thick bitch all yellow. Ass real fat, looking soft like jello. Hello, come through your door like ring the doorbell. Niggas like hello. Call your cell phone, all they never like hello. I'd rather bring a 40 extended clips to my elbow. 20 clips to my elbow. Still rocking Adidas with a beaded ass shell toe. Remind me your church is chicken. They swear they got Gucci's when they always rocking biscuits. They say them niggas real when I send me off to prison. I ain't had nothing, ain't nobody come and visit. I said send some money, ain't nobody wanna send it. I asked for some flicks, ain't nobody wanna listen. Now I'm back home and everybody wanna kick it. I said fuck that nigga, I'm back shitting. Yellow ice in the buses look like it's pissing. Niggas see these snakes in the streets cause they hissing. Look, but I'm watching for the venom though. Niggas know they snakes, but I'm watching for the venom though. Niggas know there's something wrong the way I'm in the winter though. Drowning niggas grinding in my Timberlands and winter coat. Nigga got a problem, get the knife and I'll slit his throat. I'll leave his head with motherfucking pilled up envelope. Niggas know I stay here lick like envelopes. And I don't give a fuck, oh that's your girl, well I done hit your hoe. Don't even care, nigga. I don't even care, nigga. Won't even deny it like I wasn't even there, nigga. I'ma keep it real, nigga. I'ma blur it back out. And when you come home, I'm not sneaking out the back house. I'll be sitting right there like I fucked your bitch. She said she like me, my swag, and a bunch of dick. I said fuck it, get the camera, make a bunch of flicks. I went to jail, she got naked, sent a bunch of flicks. I get hot on never check, just like a bunch of grit. This shit is too easy, nigga. That is on that other shit. I just wrote that other split, and I just wrote that other split, and I just sold that other zip, and I just sold another zip. And when I fail my first pack, I'ma sell another pack. And when I sell the first crack, then I'ma sell another brick. Fuck all the Illuminati, Secret Society, all the motherfucking hoe ass niggas that be riding with that government. Look, see, I'm hotter than the oven get. When I pop the 40, nigga, I'ma need some oven mitts. Cause when I pop it, get hot when I cock it. To the point I gotta stop and drop when I pop it. It's too hot to fucking hold in my hands. My knot's too fucking big, I got bands. Think aware, bright mode, stand up guy. Real ass nigga, you can tell it in my eyes. One day I heard my nigga Scarface say, I'm a real nigga and this bitch like me to his mans. His man said, what, Chico? He said, the eyes, nigga, they never lie. Just like numbers, nigga, I'm here. Get at me, nigga. You know what it is.